Today I'm gonna show you these screen problems. As you can see, look, I increase it and decrease it. The screen brightness doesn't work. See, so this is how to fix it. First of all, you go to device manager. You can find it here on the Cortana search. So device manager. Click device manager, and when it's open, you go to your display adapters. Right here, I have two driver here. This one is for my second monitor, but this one is for Intel, which is my graphics card. So you right click on your display driver, and I click on update driver. So don't click on search automatically for driver software, but instead click on the browse for my computer, and now here on the browse here, just click everything you see here. Just click on delete it, and I click me pick from the list available drive on my computer, and click it. So this is the list. So yours might be different. So might be the same, might be different. So you just click on the latest one, which is in my case, this one is my latest driver. So click on that one. I click next and wait for it. Said installing driver now. So might take a while. Now it depends. So it might take a while. Might just take couple of minutes. So just wait to let it install the drivers. Then you see. As you can see, it adjusts the screen. Adjust the screen itself. So after that, I said Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Just close it, and close this device manager as well. Then everything is done. Then you close that. You see, then the brightness is working out. The brightness is working out. So after you update the driver, when I click adjust the brightness, you might not say that it's reducing, but trust me, guys, it's working. It's working. So all you have to do is just click on the button to decrease increase the resolution. I mean the brightness, or you can go to settings here on the system display, and I change the brightness. You see, guys, it's working. So guys, that's it, guys. So if you like this video, please put thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next or my future videos. Thank you. Bye.